I'm Miss Nene. Welcome to Miss Nene's Art. Today I wanted to do another video, my last video for the year 2020. I wanted to do a face-to-face for my last video for the year because I wanted to thank everyone who has subscribed. I wanted to tell you that I am grateful for you. I am thankful for you, and I'm so happy that you're on this journey with me to see how far I can go, and I'm hoping that I go very far. I have a whole lot of things I want to be doing that I'm planning, that I'm working on for 2021. I'm really excited about it, and I'm so glad that you're here, and I look forward to the whole new year. 2020 has been very challenging to say the least, but I've been able to just try to keep everything focused, which is hard to do with everything going on and things going on in my personal life, which is also just as bad and just as hard. Well, not bad, but just difficult, you know, everyday life things, you know, just whatever. But I just wanted to thank everyone, let you know that I appreciate you and that I am so happy that I've been able to come as far as I've come in the year that I've been doing these videos. And I look forward to 2021, and I look forward to doing more things, lots more cool things, and just everything. So stay tuned for that. Today, my last video for 2020 is going to be a round canvas. Now, I have never worked on a round canvas. I always used the 12, the bigger ones, the square ones, whatever, rectangular. But a round one, I thought, why not? I went to Hobby Lobby and bought one, 50% off, why not, right? So I'm going to do a round 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm going to be doing a straight pour, and my theme, much like the last one, is more like a galaxy type thing, you know, like a close-up of a planet. You'll see the colors that I use, but the thing that I was going for was more like maybe the sun, close up to the sun, or maybe Mars, you know, whatever interpretation you see when you see what I'm doing and then the finished product. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I hope you enjoy. Again, I want to thank you so much for the year. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being there, and I look forward to 2021. Thank you, guys. Bye. Mwah. Okay, so here it is. Oh my God, look at this. I love this. This painting is fire, literally. Look at that center part, like lava, hot lava. But you know, I look at this painting and I see the close-up. I imagine this to be what the sun would be like close-up, or even the fiery red planet of Mars. But I'm gonna go with the sun. So that's what I'm gonna call this, the sun. This white area, that's the holographic illusions gold. That will fade and all you will see are gold holographic flakes of glitter. That's going to be beautiful. Wait till you see. But yeah, I love this. It turned out beautifully. Now, here comes the dry results. There it is. It dried beautifully. And see, those white areas are now what I said, the glitter holographic flakes, the gold. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm so happy that my last painting for 2020 turned out exactly the way I hoped it would turn out. Let me know what you think, how this turned out in the comments below. I love to read your comments because I do read them and I do respond. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that. This is going to be, like I said earlier, my last video. I'm glad it turned out perfect the way that I hoped. And I hope you guys had a beautiful, wonderful Christmas. And I wish you all the best New Year and the beginning of 2021. So please be safe, especially out there on New Year's. I'm staying home. I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate you. And I look forward to the journey starting 2021. Stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.